In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new page admin to your Facebook page, okay? Let's get started. Once you log into your Facebook app, the first thing you want to do is to switch to the page that you want to modify, okay? Click on the profile picture there to the right at the top. Then click on the arrow down button. Then select the page. I'll go with the second page here. Okay? Then after doing this, click on the profile picture to the right once again. Then you want to scroll down, locate settings and privacy. Then tap on settings. Then scroll down, look for page access. If you are not able to see page access, just do me a favor and type here. Tap on the search bar. Just type page access. Okay, now click on the first option here, page access. Then click on add new admin. There are two options. You can add people with Facebook access or people with task access. Okay, the first option, you will give that person almost full access to your page. Now the second option is for task access. I normally prefer going with the first option, then you modify permissions. Okay, now click on the add new. Then click next. Then search the person that you want to add as an admin to your page. Let me search a random name here. Let me just say Dinoma. I don't have anything to do with her or anything. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. Then click on give access. You can allow access to everything, full control. The person can access your content, messages, calls, community activities, ads, and insights. Now, the other option that I was talking about, let me just show you. Just click on the arrow back button. This other option, click next. Now, let us search that person once again. Okay. Now, with this, you can intentionally give permissions to the person. Maybe you just want him or her to just manage messages and calls. Okay, you can just do this, then give access. Then you'll be required to enter your password to confirm the changes. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video, and please do subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out when we upload a new video. Thank you.